That didn't sound good. Oh wait, where'd it go? Oh.
Matt, can you do me a favor? Go upstairs and get 8 AA batteries.
Are those batteries dead?
Yeah.
Can I have them? Where are they? Those?
Yeah. No, these. Yeah, those are dead too. You get 8 AA.
How many batteries?
Okay, I lost it. Oh.
12 batteries. That makes me 12 batteries closer to that shiny extra credit thing. If I get that picture.
Well, here's your problem.
Problem is, it's crashing into a fat thing.
That's pretty sweet. Yo, do you want on like the dirt over there or something? I meant up there, the red stuff. Oh.
Oh, that's pretty awesome.
Look at that far it shoots for stuff. Oh!
Got ball tapped.
Where'd it go? I'm just putting new batteries in it.
Alright, well, it looks like you're fixing it, so just smile for the camera. Oh my god, you're gonna make people blind.
What kind of weird kid are you?
I'm not weird. I just don't want the viewers to turn to stone.
That's hurtful.
Your face
And
is
you're
hurtful.
an idiot for driving with the cap on.
Oh well, your face is hurtful. Alright, maybe I am. Well, no, I'm not a rookie at videotaping, but hold on. Okay, thank you.